Hey fantastic you, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome, glad to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. Today we are painting. We're going to use the 5-chamber split cup. All my colors here are Liquitex and I've mixed them 1 part paint to 1.5 parts pouring medium. My pouring medium is 60% PVA glue, 40% water. Color wise, brilliant blue, light green permanent, brilliant yellow green, Pyrrole red, and deep violet. So I'm gonna get colors into the split cup and then I'll bring you back. Okay, we are back. So we've got a 14-inch squared canvas here and I'm gonna do kind of a wandering pour, but I want to do it specifically kind of like this, just so we can see kind of what type of neat pattern we might get. So hopefully this will turn out good. Some nice bright colors. Let's get our edges done. I still have a decent amount of paint left in here, so I'm debating, should I kind of add some around the outside just to help with the spinning of this out. I think I will. And I'm going to fix that area there. So it's not leaving much of a pattern because it's just the last little bit of paint. I made just over 100 grams of each color. There we go. That's about as much as I want to put on. Let's get the drips off this so I don't make a mess. There we go. Okay. You can see all the colors. Very happy with that. I am going to give it a quick torch. Okay. Let's spin this out and see what we get. So because this is a 14-inch canvas, it actually sits perfectly on my 12-inch cake spinner. So the inside of the wood for the frame, the width is 12 inches. So I can spin this a little harder and I don't have to worry about this flying off. I should have more than enough paint. As I said, I did about 100 grams, just over 100 grams of each color. Almost all the way over. I want some more to come off that side. It's looking a little weird. But look at that. Neat pattern going on there. Loving it. So it's like perfect lines. Oh, this is so cool looking. Might give it another torch. I can just see a few more bubbles now that the paint has thinned out a little bit. So I've got my push pins in on the bottom, so I'm going to use those to spin now. Yeah, so I've used these colors before. My last painting, the one right before this, I had these colors as well as cadmium orange hue. So took out the orange hue because it's so similar to the red, it's not 100% needed. A little bit more, and then I think I'll be happy with that. Just a little bit left to go over. All my corners are covered. There's only a small edge right there that's not covered. So we're gonna help that along. I got a little bit of each color left for paint, so let's add some. There we go. One more spin and that edge should go over, and then I think I'm going to be happy with this. See, just a little bit of that yellow left. It just looks a little weird to me. Okay, I'm not sure which should be the top or the bottom. They kind of spread out that way, so we'll say that is the top. So let's straighten that out. I'm going to zoom you in so you can get a bit of a better look. Okay, all zoomed in. What do you think? I think this looks pretty cool. It looks like kind of separate tubes of color is kind of what I'm seeing, but that's just me. You might be seeing something totally different. I love the little, I guess they're kind of like little fingers coming off. You can see the red doing it, the green. Not as much on that one. So this one has the most defined pattern, and it gets a little less and a little less. So I think it looks really cool. I'm super happy with this one. So thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Until next time.